Go back. So these are the inspection types. So what will happen if we activate this? So this you will learn at this transactional data. So this is the inspection type details. In the QM view, we have a couple of other things. We'll discuss it, but let's progress to sampling procedure. So sampling procedure is again a master data. So this is a transaction code. So what is sampling procedure? So sampling procedure, let's say you have for a material, you will have multiple sampling procedure. One material, you will get 100 pieces. You want to check every piece. So for that material, you will assign in the inspection plan 100% inspection. For a material, you might say, okay, I don't want to inspect 100%, but I want to inspect 5 pieces every time. So even you produce 100 pieces, you produce 1,000 pieces, you produce 10,000. You need to only check 5 pieces out of it.
Okay. And industry wise, it is different. I think like discrete industry will have 100%.
It's up to the business again. Okay.
Oh, okay.
That their wish. Okay. 100% fixed. Okay. Then we have, let's say, I need to check 5% for that material.
Oh, okay. Percentage wise.
Yeah,
Okay.
percentile. So, which means I'll get, let's say I maintain 10%. So every time a lot is generated, out of that, I'll check only 10%. If it is
10%.
100 produced, I'll check 10. If it is
10.
1,000, I'll check 100.
100.
Now there is one more thing called sample schema.
Okay.
So what is this? Okay. Now, if I produce 0 to 100, I'll check 1.
Okay.
If I produce 101 to 5,000, I'll check 10. From 5,001 to 10,000, I'll check 20. So it's not on percentage. You see, it's the sample schema we give. Like, okay, if
For
it is
that, how much to check you are providing? Like
right,
can be 10
we
or
are
20.
giving the number of samples to be checked based on the lot size.
Oh, okay.
Right? So if I'm producing 1 lakh and if I give 10%, so it's 10,000 quantity, which I don't need it. I don't need to check 10,000 quantity.
Correct.
So that is one thing. So coming to the inspection method. So what is inspection method? So inspection method is by which means you are checking. What is the method you are using to take the quality
Check.
So when I say inspection method, now if you are calculating the temperature, you want to check the result of temperature, you use a thermometer. If you are checking some
pH.
pH value, so use a pH value machine. So if you are checking a thickness, you might use a different instruments. So which instrument or which method is used to carry out? Okay. So it is very okay.
Oh.
Sorry.
Slash in.
Okay. Inspection method. So this is a plant specific.
Okay. Plant specific.
Go
Okay.
to V1. It's not a plant specific. You can create in one plant and use in my other plants. Okay.
Yes.
So this is not plant specific. You can write client specific. So this is QS31. It is the method. Okay. So plant specific. see, the good thing about this quality is you can create the method in one plant and you can use it in other plant. System will not restrict you. I'll tell you.
Any trick to remember all this, like QD,
Yeah,
V1?
you need to practice.
Oh, okay.
You need to type the transactions in SAP. That is the only way.
But luckily in my project, I think this is private cloud which they are using. So
Yeah,
apps only, I guess.
yeah.
I see.
Apps
Okay.
is fine. Yeah. But here you need to.
On premise. I was thinking it because it's a huge project, it would be on premise only. But I was speaking to my manager. I said I worked on public cloud on PM and QM and all. So I'm not sure how like I need to brush up with all the transaction codes and the tables. And so he was like, "Oh, let me check. It is cloud only." He said, "Then it's okay." Yeah.
Yeah, okay, fine. Yeah. So yeah, here in master inspection characteristic, so you will define or you will create whether it is a quantitative
Qualitative. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
or
sorry.
okay. So what is quantitative? If it has some number or
Ah,
specific details like you will give a lower specification as 100, upper specification as 200, just a tolerance, okay? And target is 150, uh, and lower specification is 100 and upper specification is 200. So if the system goes, I mean, if the result of for that product goes above or below the range, the results are rejected, right? You will say, okay, this lot is rejected.
Okay.
So that is quantitative is always a number specific.
Mm-hmm.
Qualitative is, you'll simply say color specific. Okay, color. Let's say,
Color.
yeah, or you simply say pass
It
fail.
cannot be
Yes,
counted. You can say like that. Like
yes, no, like
mm.
that. Okay,
Uh,
quantitative is a number. Qualitative is some qualitative data. Like as I told you, yes, no, pass fail,
mm,
or colors within
mm,
the specification, outside specification. So if you don't
mm-hmm,
want to give a number, anything which doesn't have a number, okay,
mm-hmm.
simply color. I say, okay, blue, green are allowed, rest reject.
Reject. Mm.
Okay. So for that, you will have an MIC.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. What is a inspection plan? So in the inspection plan, we'll create one by one. Okay. I'll just, here we are explaining about the uh, different things. So what is an inspection plan? Inspection plan, as I told you, it is nothing but creating a quality master data so that it will be useful for the transactional flow. So for a material, we will say, okay, let's say for FFG1, which just now we have created, I
Yeah.
want to create an inspection plan.
Hmm.
So because when I produce, I need to carry out the result.
And
So
inspection plan is mandatory, right? Inspection plan is mandatory.
right. Inspection plan is mandatory. So
Mhm.
I'll say FFG1, I want, I create some sampling procedure and I say, okay, FFG1, I need 100% inspection. So that I will give an inspection plan. And I say, okay, FFG1 method, I need some, method one as a method, I'll give some text. Then MIC, I'll say, okay, this is a quantitative one, right?
Mm.
So these details I'll be giving in an inspection plan. So
Plan. Mm.
what it will does. So once you produce the product, once your production is done, then as I told you, if you activate this 04, you will get a inspection lot. Okay. Very
Yeah.
important. Very important, even for the interview and also for your support projects.
Yes.
Business will say, hey, I
Dot
have
is not.
created I have created a production order. I did goods receipt, but I don't see an inspection lot.
Dot.
Then first thing you need to see is
Uh,
whether the 04 is activated or not.
Yes.
Second question, they'll say, hey, 04 is activated, but the lot is created with created status,
Acha, okay. It
which
should be
means,
released.
yes, it should always be released. Whenever inspection lot is created, it will be always in release state. If not, the
Mm.
issue is here.
Uh,
Either the inspection lot is not created, or
mm.
they have not
Inspection
given the correct,
plan.
yeah, yeah, they have not given some, there will be a usage here, very important.
Mm.
You,
Acha, so inspection plan creation is QP01 and anything modification is 02, 03 like that, no? The
right,
same.
right, 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 right,
Okay, okay.
right. So inspection lot should always be in release state. This is very important for your support
Uh,
tickets and might get an interview question. Okay.
okay, okay.
Okay. So now there is an inspection lot generated. What you need to do, or what is the next step of business? So next business step is two things. Once your inspection lot is generated, the stock will be posted into, we have different, uh,
Uh,
okay,
Quality check,
unrestricted
unrestricted.
stock, quality stock,
Mm,
block
block. Mm, mm,
stock,
mm,
scrap. So scrap you don't see in the system, but
mm,
okay. So what is unrestricted stock? So
mm.
unrestricted stock,
Free to use.
yeah, you can freely use that. So when you have a stock, let's say raw material is an unrestricted stock, you can take that and produce. When you have these FFG1 posted into unrestricted, sales team can sell that stock. If
Mm-hmm.
stock is in quality stock, you cannot use it.
Mm-hmm.
If the stock
And
is
how do we check this MMB? That only, right? Or
right, right, right.
MMB. So, and this inspection lot, it is created or not, that we also come to know through MMB only, right? Like quality stock,
We
the
can
stock.
see the stock in quality,
Uh-huh.
but the inspection lot, there are
Mm-hmm.
separate transaction codes.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Okay,
Uh-huh.
QA32, 33.
Acha, okay.
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 So once the inspection lot is generated, you can
Mm-hmm.
go inspection lot and see why. I mean, you can see how many lots are created. So just for your quick reference, let's go to QA32. Let's see if, oh, there is no inspection lots. Let's give,
Past today.
okay, very good. So no one has created nothing.
Maybe last year then. Somebody would have.
Yeah, I thought there will be huge data. Very good.
Yeah, one data is the period.
Okay, very good. Sorry. So there is no data at all. Ah,
And
okay.
what was
Now
that one line coming?
I'll tell you. Sorry. Now you might see inspection lots. Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay, good.
What did you do other than the
Yeah,
dates?
we will. So I have just selected all inspection lots. So by
Uh,
default, when you go to QA32, the second radio button is selected, which shows, okay, you have some work to do, pending lots. Okay. So
oh, usage decision, the last one, like.
uh, yeah. So here, if you see red, which means this is not completely processed. If I say
Okay, okay.
select all inspection lots, you'll get everything. So green are
Yes.
processed.
Understood. Okay.
Right? Yeah. So you see here, I can I can say by looking at the inspection lot number. So this is the number. I can say which inspection type is this.
Oh,
So one is for the procured materials. Okay.
okay.
Inspection lot generated with one series is always your
Procured material.
01 inspection type materials. Okay. Three will always be in process. So if you see anything number range with one, that means that is for
Procured.
procured. Three, is for in process, 4 is for goods receipt.
Goods receipt.
So based on number range, you can see.
And
Uh,
if it is a double digit, we had some few with double digit also. So the double digit would be available, right? Like suppose
yeah, yeah,
23 is there.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Mm.
So 89 is for miscellaneous inspection or manually created. You have created without reference to
Okay, okay.
anything. Okay, it's not a produced procured. Simply you go
Mm.
create. Okay, so this is the one. So just for look and feel, I have shown you.
Yeah.
Okay,
Thanks.
so yeah,
I read this badly. They are having some meetings. So if I don't have much about exposure to QM, I may not be able to ask them properly. So that's
right.
why I asked you QM.
Yeah, no problem. Because we have a flow. I mean, we will follow first
Mm.
PP, then go to QM. Anything
Mm.
is fine. See,
Yeah.
at last I need to cover everything, right? So,
Everything. Yeah.
yeah. So what will now the inspection log is generated successfully.
Mm.
Now what we do? Okay.
Mm.
What we do is we need to carry out the results, which is nothing but we call in SAP term results recording. So what
Mm.
is result recording? Okay.
Yeah.
So based on your method, which method you are taking and how many samples you want to check and what are you checking? Are you checking quantitative or qualitative? If it's qualitative, you need to select pass or fail. If it is quantitative, you need to after
Number.
you need to give some number. What is the result?
Hmm.
So next, you need to carry out the
Decision.
usage decision. Okay. So usually result recording will be done, update the data, then they'll go to usage decision and now they'll take a decision what to do what to do with that stock.
Hmm.
So as I told you, first when you activate this and there is an inspection plan in place,
Hmm.
your inspection lot will be in release status and
Yes.
the stock will be initially posted here,
Yeah.
the quality stock. So you cannot use this when you are in quality stock. And you need to be very careful and remember, once the stock is posted in quality, you can change the stock from quality to any other stock.
Hmm.
By
Using usage decision.
you cannot simply go to Migo and transfer the stock. Okay, I can transfer from unrestricted to block stock or unrestricted to,
Hmm.
scrap. No, you cannot do that when the stock is in quality. You
Hmm.
don't have any other way.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
If stock is in quality stock, you have to do the
Do usage decision.
right. You don't have any other option. Don't even try in your future. Someone
Yeah.
is okay, how to transfer quality stock from quality stock to unrestricted. Say you need to do that at the time of UD.
Hmm.
You don't have any other option.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
Okay. So initially stock will be posted in quality. Now based on your result recording at the time of usage decision, you will take a decision. Like now I have 100 pieces produced. Out of that 100 are very good. Post 100 into unrestricted. If you
Okay.
see out of 100, only 95 are good. Okay. So post 95 here and 5 here.
Oh, but just one doubt. Like,
Mm.
they said that. Oh, okay, got it. Like, if 100 pieces is produced, and we are saying sampling procedure is say 100%, then entire 100 would go to the quality stock,
No,
right?
no, 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 no.
No.
Whatever the sampling procedure,
Uh,
your entire produced stock or procured stock will go to quality.
huh. Right.
In that you will, based on your inspection, you will pick. But you will take a decision on the whole lot, not the sampling lot.
No, no, no. My doubt is,
Mm, mm,
suppose the for a material is there, like suppose FFG1, okay.
mm.
All this inspection plan, etc., is already there, right? Like before the
Right,
material is produced.
right.
So once the material is produced, say we are using sampling procedure as 100%. Okay.
Mhm.
So in the quality stock, what would be the like entire stock produced would come, right? Then
Yes.
okay, okay, okay.
So what about in the same one,
Hmm.
in your same question? Now let's say the sampling procedure is fixed 5.
Okay, okay.
Okay, now what system will do?
Uh,
Your 100% will be posted into quality stock.
uh,
Out of that 100%,
mm,
you in your result recording, you will
mm.
be posting the results for the 5 pieces.
Okay.
Based on the 5 pieces, you are taking a decision on 100 pieces.
Oh, okay. It's like
Okay.
that.
It's
Uh-huh.
not, yeah, it's not that only you're taking a decision on
Acha, so
five.
the sampling procedure is only for the result recording.
Correct.
Is
Correct.
the entire stock really goes to the quality stock every time if
Definitely.
quality QM is managed activated.
Definitely.
Acha.
Whatever, if it is a procured one, if you are procuring 1000 kg, your
Mm-hmm.
1000 kg first will go to quality stock. Then system will decide, okay, what is the inspection, what is the sampling procedure, how much,
Mm-hmm.
because the sequence is you're doing a goods receipt against a purchase order or a production order. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
the events I am telling, SAP
Mm-hmm.
events,
Mm-hmm.
goods receipt
Mm.
against purchase order or process order or
Yes.
production order.
Mm-hmm.
It will see the material master. Okay, this has 01 or 04. Okay, this has inspection plan. Let's create a inspection lot.
Mm-hmm.
Post, once you click on post, entire stock will go to quality stock first. Then system will determine in the inspection lot, which is the sampling size.
Okay, understood.
Yeah, right. Okay.
Mm.
So now let's say you're
And that is logical also. Suppose
right,
if
definitely.
suppose it was not like that, then it suppose that only 5 piece goes to the quality and rest is all in the unrestricted. So even if it is less quality, if suppose the quality is not good, still if it is because it is in unrestricted stock, maybe people start using it.
Right,
So
right,
yeah, so it's logical. Yeah, yeah.
right.
Understood.
So later, let's say out of 100 pieces, 100 pieces are now in quality stock. 5 pieces you have checked, result recording is done. So out of that, um, 1 piece is rejected, 4 pieces are good.
Mm.
Then it's business
Us.
decision what they will do. Okay.
Oh, okay. Uh,
Then result recording is done and quality stock they will post. They can post 99 here,
okay.
90 here,
Mm.
4 here,
Mm.
block and 6 scrap. So finally you will see 94 in the system, 19 unrestricted, 4 in block. You will never see the scrap quantity in MMB or anywhere. It's done. Scrap is scrap. It will go to universe. Okay. You won't
Oh,
see the 6. So you will see that, okay, I got 100%, I got a 100 kg lot. Out of that, 90 are unrestricted, 4 are blocked, 94. Now you will start searching for where is that 6 quantity. So immediately you have to go to QA 33 and see what is the usage decision done by the user. There you will have the, there you will have all the details like for that lot. Let me show you. Okay. Let me show you.
okay. This for user decision and what was that? What recording? Result recording. There are no transaction code or how is it?
No, we have.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
So here,
Okay.
if you see, this is already a processed lot. Okay. 100. Starting with 1 is a procured material.
Procure material.
So you see here, this guy, he got a total 10.
Huh.
His sampling size is only 1.
Okay.
Okay. And he posted everything to unrestricted.
Okay.
Here, what I can do in the 10, I'll post 4 into unrestricted, 3 into scrap, and 3 into blocked. Okay.
So here we can see what quantity went to scrap.
Yes. Usage decision. Now I'm in display. So at the time of usage decision, user will post this. Okay. Out of 10, how many he want to post where? Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So someone will ask you, business, one fellow will come and say, hey, I have 100 kg, but I only see 94 in the system, 19 blocked. Okay. He'll say, I see 19 block and 4 in 19 unrestricted and 4 in block. Where is the rest 6? So
Hmm.
you first need to come here
Hmm.
and see, you need to first check here and see what he did. Then you can say, hey, your 6 is scrap. You will not see that in the system. Okay.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
this is
Hmm.
just for look and feel. We will actually come to this.
Hmm. In the
Okay.
system, we know 6 is to scrap, but in reality,
Hmm.
it's up to the business, right? What they do with that 6, right? So,
So that's what, if they want that to be in the system, they'll post in the
hmm.
blog. If they say, I cannot do anything with this stock, okay, I cannot rework, I cannot do anything, they'll simply scrap.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so if they say, okay, 100 are produced, 90 are used,